Hello guys, this is Niveta. You are 14CS324, and in this experiment we are going to see how to create a simple web page using HTML. And first for that we need to open HTML tag which contains the head tag which contains the title tag, and the head tag has been closed, and the title tag has been also closed, and which contains the body tag which contains the division tag in it. The division tag which contains the h1 tag which contains the heading 1, which will be shown in the tab, um, and h3 tag is subheading. And I opened a division tag which will contains all the division to be displayed on the web page. And the division tag will contain, again the division tag will contain the email address, internal link, phone number, clickable image, all those things, and external link. For external link I have used an anchor tag and a reference href, and to target is equal to blank. It will open in a new page, and the email id which um, mail it should go, and the internal link also the same way, anchor tag, a h reference is given, an empty html, and the next page it has to open. And email also h reference, to which email id we have to send, and send me your feedback. And division is clickable image. For that also reference I have opened, an empty html, and image has been given with height, alter, and all those things have been given. Then a division then again a division tag has been opened which contains all the order list and unordered list subheadings, and a paragraph tag has been opened. The paragraph tag which contains the again the content of the page, and the paragraph tag has been closed. Now I'm going to use order list, and inside the order list I'm going to use list to get the item 1 and item 2, and unordered list to get item 1 and item 2. When we are giving order list, it will just print in bulletin forms. In when we give in unordered list, it will give number 1, number 2, and all those things. Order list and unordered list has been closed. The same way, table data has been I've used table list DL tag, and which contain the DT as PHP, and DD it will contains all the lines which is needed. I mean server side script, JavaScript, client side script, and all those details. And again I'm using division tag which contains the h3 tag which will have the subheading 3. And again a paragraph tag has been opened which will contain all the contents of the page. And I've used table record tr, and which will contain the table data as row 1, column 1, and column 3. And row span, it will just merge all the rows, and column span, it will merge all the columns. And I've used row span as equal to 4, so 4 rows I'm going to merge, and 1 2 3 4 then column 4, and I'm closing the td tag. The same way row 2 has been opened, and row 3 and row 4 I have done. And again a table record has been opened inside the table data which contains a column span. So I'm going to merge 2 columns, and column 1 and column 2. Again the column span is equal to 4. I'm going to merge 4 columns, so 1 2 and 3 and 4. And the table record has been closed, and now the table tag has been closed. A division tag has been opened which contains a span. Span will contain the subheading 1, so go to subheading. It will refer the references subheading 1 and subheading 2 and subheading 3. Now let's run the file. Now subheading 1, subheading 2, and subheading 3, and all those things are displayed. And item 1 and 2 order list, so it is given as main bulletin forms. And order list, it is order list, it is given in number 1 2 and 3, and order list it's given in bulletin forms. And PHP, JavaScript, and all those things. And subheading, and the table has been created merging 2 rows and 4 columns and all those things. And go to subheading 2, subheading 3, and subheading 4 also created.